Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is June 7th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the market, we do have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 3/4 of 1 point. Right now, we're sitting at 24.31.5 per contract. All in all, the markets are up just a touch. Yesterday into the close, we did have a little bit of a sell-off, so we'll see how this market plays out today. It will be very, very interesting. We have lots and lots of geopolitical events on tap. Tomorrow, I believe, starts the James Comey testimony. We're also going to have some ECB news out tomorrow as well. So it's going to be very, very interesting going forward. And again, we'll see what this market gives us today. But in the meantime, we always have stocks in the news. That's where we're going to focus our attention. Let's take a look at AMBA today. AMBA is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at 57.15, closed at 59.72. It did trade below the 55.50 level briefly, but has been supported there. A level I'm looking at right now for pretty good support is around $55. So if it gets to 55, I still think there's a lot of support around that area. The next level I have for this stock would be around $46.90. So keep that level on the radar as well. So you got two support levels there. Both look decent so far this morning, and we'll cover these more in the intraday stock chat room. Once again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we are doing in there. Next one we're going to take a look at is PLAY. This is Dave & Buster's. Company reported earnings yesterday. I believe they may have also done an offering, so have to check the news on this one. We'll see how it plays out. Right now, the stock is trading at $68.75. Closed at $70.17. If it gets down to $63, I like it there. Until then, I wouldn't do much with it. This stock, unfortunately, trades around 400,000 to 500,000 shares a day, so it is on the lighter volume side. So just be aware of that, and we'll see how it plays out. Next one we're going to take a look at here is going to be ALOG. And this right now is trading at $67.50. Stock closed at $74.60. When you look at this name right now, the only level that really would interest me would probably be a bit lower, and I would probably lean towards $62. If you're aggressive, this probably has some short-term support around $66. But again, that's a very, very tough trade. This stock does not trade heavy volume. On a good day, the stock will trade basically around 100,000 shares a day. So again, be very, very careful when you're trading names that are less than 1 million shares. They can overshoot levels, they can go down, and this stock is getting hit this morning ahead of the opening bell. Let's take a look at Duluth, DLTH. Duluth Trading Company, or Duluth Holdings as it's called. This is trading at $18.40. The only support level I see for this is trading around, will be when it trades around $17.50. Trades down to around $17.50, there could be a play there. But again, this is a very light volume stock. Trades around 150,000 shares a day. On a good day, and I mean a good day, it'll trade around 500,000 to 600,000, but again, very, very light volume name. Got to be a little bit careful here, but I am seeing some mathematical support around 1750. Let's take a look at Brown-Forman. BF.B is the ticker symbol here. This is the maker of Jack Daniels. This is also a takeover target. So again, the stock right now is trading at $52 a share after earnings. Did trade a little bit lower, but I don't see anything great or anything terrible. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. As you can see here, very little volume in the pre-market, and anytime you see something like that, just got to respect it, and we'll just take it as it comes. And we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. But Brown-Forman will be in play today. Let's take a look at some downgrades today. Iron Mountain being downgraded. IRM is a ticker symbol there. Stock right now is trading at $34.45. Closed at $35. Still a lot of support in the low 34 area. A level I do like for the stock but did sell off would be around $30.25 today. Let's take a look at PepsiCo. Pepsi right now trading at $17 a share, closed at $17. This was also downgraded. No real big effect yet. Let's take a look at Coca-Cola. That was downgraded as well. This is trading at $45.62, closed at $45.98. Coca-Cola to me is just overbought. There's actually nothing wrong with the stock, but look at this weekly chart. Stock has had a tremendous run. that tells you it's really just overdone. So it does need to pull back. But either way, Coca-Cola being downgraded this morning ahead of the opening bell. All right, let's change gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is getting hit a little bit today, down $3.60, but it had a huge pop yesterday. So if you take a look at the GLD this morning, which is a good ETF here, you'll see this is trading at 122.88, closed at 123.10. No real problems for gold, just a little pullback from what I can see at the moment. Now remember, if the dollar gets a bid, generally gold will go down. The dollar has really been struggling as of late, and gold has been going higher. Again, I do have excellent levels for gold on the short side. Come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We will talk about those in the chat room today. Next up, we want to take a look at oil. Crude oil today is trading lower by 49 cents to $47.70 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO today, you're going to see that's trading at $9.85. This is a good oil ETF. This closed at $9.97. So oil is down a little bit. Gold is down a little bit. The dollar's upticking just a touch. It's not really a big move by any stretch. And we'll just see how this market plays out today. Again, this is going to be the final trading day before the highly anticipated Comey testimony tomorrow in front of a Senate Intelligence panel. So again, we'll see how that plays out, and we'll see what the market gives us today. But sit tight, should be an interesting day. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we are doing in there. With that being said, I'm going to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.